Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Husshaal. If you are preparing for the IELTS exam and struggling with the reading section, this video is for you. Today, I'll share the top 10 IELTS reading tips and tricks with examples and practice questions so that you can aim for a perfect score, 40 out of 40. Let's get started. Tip 1. Read the questions first before you read the passage. Look at the questions. Example, if the question asks, what year was the company founded? You know you're looking for a year in the text. This saves time and helps you focus. Tip 2. Manage your time. You have 60 minutes and 3 passages. Passage 1, 15 to 18 minutes. Passage 2, 20 minutes. Passage 3, 25 minutes. Keep a timer while practicing at home. Practicing with a timer will make your speed better. Tip 3. Use skimming and scanning. Don't read every single word. First, skim the passage to understand the general idea, then scan for keywords like numbers, dates, and names. For example, if the passage says in 1995, Microsoft launched Windows 95. And the tip 4, highlight keywords. Question, where was the experiment conducted? Focus on where plus experiment conducted. Quickly locate in the passage. This makes it easier to locate the relevant part in the passage. Tip 5, don't overthink. Passage, the building was constructed in 1890. Question, the building was built in the 19th century. True, just stick to the passage, don't add your outside knowledge. Tip 6, master true, false, not given. True, info matches passage. False, opposite meaning. Not given, no info. Practice example, passage, the Eiffel Tower is located in Paris. Q, the Eiffel Tower is in London. False, the Eiffel Tower is in Paris. True, the Eiffel Tower was built in 1850, not given. Tip 7, synonyms and paraphrasing. In IELTS, questions rarely use the same words as the passage. You must understand synonyms and paraphrasing. For example, passage, the company experienced rapid growth in profits. Question, the company's earnings increased quickly. This means true, because profits equals earnings, rapid growth equals increased quickly. Tip 8, practice reading speed. Speed is very important. Read newspapers, blogs, and academic articles daily. Try finishing a 500-word passage in just 3 to 4 minutes. The faster you read, the more time you save for tricky questions. Tip 9, guess and move on. Don't waste time on one difficult question. If you're stuck, guess the best option and move forward. Remember, there is no negative marking in IELTS. Tip 10, review at the end. If you have extra time, quickly check your answers, especially spelling. For example, if the passage says Australia but you wrote Australia, your answer will be marked wrong. Mini practice test for audience passage. Marie Curie discovered radium in 1898. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903 and later in chemistry in 1911. Questions. 1. Marie Curie discovered radium in the 18th century. 2. She won her first Nobel Prize in Physics. 3. Marie Curie was the only person to win 2 Nobel Prizes. Correct answers. 1. False. 1898 equals 19th century, not 18th. 2, 3, not given. And that's it. These were my top 10 IELTS reading tips and tricks with examples. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends preparing for IELTS. Keep practicing daily, and you will definitely improve your reading score. Good luck, and see you in the next video.